Hey guys, Bing here. Today I'm going to show you how to model a roof look like this one. Okay, so let's start. So first let's create a mesh and go to the floor plan, and I'm just going to draw a reference ellipse and roughly a shape like this one. This will be the ridge line of the roof. Okay, so now create a new family, adaptive, a generic model adaptive. So this will be the profile of the roof. We're going to create like a sweep. Okay, so open. So place one point anywhere and then make adaptive. Okay, so now we need place more points. So point, draw on work plan, set, pick this reference plane and place it on the point, and then select this point, drag here. Okay, so now we have this offset. So create a offset of1 instance. Okay, so then another one, draw on work plan, set work plan, pick this work plan, place it on point, and then drag it this way. So this time, so it's offset to, it's a negative one, so I'm going to create a offset to negative instance. Okay and okay. So go back to family type, create a new offset to instance. Okay, and then go in offset to negative equals negative offset 2, and then I'm just going to give them for example 3 meter for both. Okay, and then this one I don't want it to show in the dimension category, so I'm just going to change this to other, and okay and okay. So now we need more points. Okay, so point, draw on work plan, set, pick the horizontal work plan on this point, tab, pick, and place it on this point. Okay, and then select this point, drag it. So see this arrow, so it's going up will be the positive, so go up, see offset up positive, and then just select this point. So previously I will change this to 180 to rotate it to go that way. I just found that I can actually use mirror. So if I pick mirror, go down, so it's easier. So now select this one, create a height. This will be h1 instance. Okay and okay. Another point, draw on work plan, set horizontal work plan, tab, pick and place, and okay. And pick this point, go up, and pick this point, mirror, and pick this point, create h2 instance. Okay and okay. So now select this point and this point, spline, select this point, spline. So this will be the shape of the roof. Okay, but I don't want to, because we have offset, so this is the width of this half width of the roof, and this will be the height. I don't want to use two lengths to control this roof. I want to use an angle, a pitch. Okay, so I'm going to, so I just do a quick sketch. So this will be the roof, and then this will be the pitch. So I'll call it A, and here we have the triangle, right? So this will be A as well, and we have this H1, we have this offset 1. So tangent A equal H1 divided by O offset 1. So H1 equals tangent A times offset 1. Okay, so go back here, go to family types, create two angle parameter first. So I'll call it A1 angle instance. Okay, create another one, A2 angle instance. Okay, and now, oh, hang on, this one, H1. Yeah, go here, H1 equals tangent A times offset 1. Oh, sorry, A1. And then Control C, Control V, change it to 2, and offset 2. So now that's 0 because that's 0 degrees. So I'll change that to 30 degrees for now. Apply. So now if I drag, so if I use offset to control the height. Okay, so and then because this is 30 degrees, so if I drag this one, so you can see the point, the height of the point also change as well. Okay, so this profile is finished. So now we can actually, before I load this, always vertical. I'll show you why. Okay, so load back into here. So go to 3D view. Let's place it on this shape, and then you will see it's flat. Okay, that's why. So go back to the family, check always vertical, load back, overwrite, and go to 3D view. So you can see, so now it's vertical. So now I'm going to create half roof. Okay, so it's I don't think we can create a whole like the whole one roof by just one using or just one piece. So I think we probably need to break it into two. Okay, so I'm just going to create this bit. Okay, so I'll place one here. I'm just going to place a little bit more. Okay, so for maybe one in the center and then another 4 on this side. Okay, so now let's see if I can create form from this. No, it go up here. So let's Control Z. Let's try this create form. Still no. Let's try this create form. All good. Select this and this create form. Still good. Select this create form and create form. Select this and this one create form. Oh. Maybe let me just drag this to here and create form. Oh, good. So now we have this shape. Yeah. So I'll just roughly go to the top and so just place 4 here and just place this in the center. You can try to click on this adaptive point, and you will see that's a number here. So which looks like 0.5 will be on just in the center. Yeah. And same, this one go here, 0.75 should be here. Yeah. And this one should be 0.25. So I'll just roughly place this. Okay, so now you can select all the profile. So see all these parameters we created. So this will be the offset. Let's try 5 meter. So see this side of the roof, and this 5 meter will be the other side, and also this 20 degree, good. And then select this one. This one I'm going to change it to maybe, oh, that's A1 40 degree, and then I'm going to offset, though this is offset 1 9 meter. And then that's pretty much it. Go back to that image. Yep. So you can, yeah, you can still like adjust the roof to. You can always like adjust these angles maybe to make it. Yeah, maybe this one needs to be a little bit 12 meters. So yeah, but yeah, each one you can just adjust them individually. So you can select all of them, or maybe A to 30 degree. Maybe I will have this one 9 middle. So like that. Okay, so that's it. If you have any question, let me know. I will upload this family so you can have a look if you want to. So, oh, sorry, hang on. Yeah, so this is just a mess. So, and if you want to create a roof, so you need to load this into just create a project and then load this into this project and place it, and then let's go to 3D view, and then you can place a roof by face and pick create roof. So now you have this roof. I'm just going to move it away from the mess. Okay, so now you have this roof, and you can still hang on, where's the parameters in this? You can still adjust these. You can create maybe it's these are all in instant parameter. It's probably too much. So you can just adjust this mass. For example, I'm going to adjust this mass to create a roof like this. Okay, and then you can just load this into the project, and then click on the roof and upgrade. So we'll see this roof is changing. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you like it, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.